Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is actually my new channel. So here I will be posting home decor stuff, home tours, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and some cleaning as well. So please, if that's something you're interested in, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notifications of my new videos, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this video. For today's video, I will be showing you a home decor dupe, I guess, and it is just what I've done in my powder room. So this is my inspiration, and this is what I've used to style my bathroom shelves. So here's what my bathroom shelves looked like before. This is really the only spot where I can decorate in my bathroom because it is a super small bathroom, like super tiny powder room, and I've had this decor for about a year now. All there is a toilet, these shelves, and a tiny vanity because, like I said, it's super small. So what I'm doing is just removing everything off the shelves, giving them a good thorough wipe down. These shelves are DIY'd as well, so the holders my husband made, and the shelf, the wood parts, I just stained some old wood. I think it was the wood either leftover from either shelves or from I did a one of those shelves over your bathtub, so it could be leftover from that. I'm not sure, I can't remember from what, but it was leftover wood, so I just made shelves out of it and I stained them. Today's video is a part of a collaboration hosted by my sister Sonja at Domestic Diva Home. Sonja's amazing. She's got 3 channels. She's got Domestic Diva DIY, then Domestic Diva Home, which is what you're watching right now, which you can see in this playlist, and then also Domestic Diva Cooking. So make sure you check out all 3 channels because you're going to get inspired. She's pretty great. So make sure you check her out. I'll have all of her channels linked in my description as well. I'll have the playlist. So there's going to be a ton of amazing creators on here. So make sure you check everyone out. And the part of the collab was that we had to take something that inspired us, like a home decor space, or a tray or a coffee table decor, anything like that, and create it in our home. So that's what I'm doing. So then I went ahead and I started putting together my decor pieces. So I'm using this tin. I've had it for a long time. I'm pretty sure it was like an herb garden that I bought. I had 2 of them, so I DIY'd another one, and I'll link it above so you can see what I did with that one. And I'll also be using this plastic container from Dollar Tree. Now I'm painting it cashmere, just dry brushing it because I was wanting it to be like the inspiration piece, which was a wicker basket. But once I actually brought it upstairs, I saw that I didn't like the way it looked in the bathroom, so I went ahead and I dry brushed black over top of it. So you'll see me doing that. So all I'm doing is just dry brushing the sides. I'm not doing anything spectacular, but it looked really good with the dry brushed. It just wasn't the color that I needed. So if you're looking kind of like a mock wicker thing, use the cashmere paint from Dollar Tree and this basket from Dollar Tree, and it'll give you that look without the wicker. Wicker sometimes, because if it gets wet, I find it's not as durable as plastic, obviously. So after I paint the plastic container, I go ahead to style this little planter, and all I'm using is a boxwood garland that I got from Dollarama. I think it was $2.50. It's actually left over from a different project, and I'm just putting it in here and having some of the branches stick out. So I don't even have to use fluoroform or anything like that, and it's looking great. It's giving me the look that I want. So the step that I don't actually show you is where I use my Cricut to create the sign that says "Get Naked," and then it says "Just kidding. Don't be weird. Don't make it weird. This is a half bath." So I found this on the internet and I recreated it on my Cricut, cut it out on some vinyl, weeded it, and then transferred it with transfer paper. Now I'm going to dab black acrylic paint onto it, and I'm using the dabber from the Dollar Tree. Now, normally I like to use leftover scrap pieces of wood for these signs or cardboard or something like that. But for this one, I had a canvas from the Dollar Tree and that's what I used. So I'm being really careful to not dab on a lot of black paint because if you dab on too much, then it'll bleed through and then you have to fix it up. So here's what I'm talking about with the basket. So I'm just going over with the same stencil brush just a little bit to make it a bit blacker, so it's not so brown. So now I'm ready to style the shelves. So here are just glass jars that I had saved from food and washed. So I put some cotton balls in there. And then I was trying to figure out, I was going to make the sign from my inspiration piece that said, less is more, and I wanted to see if I could use this mini canvas. I thought about using the bigger canvas or maybe cutting the canvas down, and then I remembered I had a little sign that had home on it on one side that I had made for a different project, and so I just used the other side and I wrote with my best freehand, less is a more Ray Dunn font. I wound up adding a few more towels into the basket. I added some cotton swabs into the glass jars and I put everything on the shelf. So here is what it looks like all finished. So here it is finished with the black basket. So I showed you before that I was using the or like the one that I painted cashmere, and then this is with the black. I love this poster. It's an old Scott Tissues ad, and I absolutely love it. There's my little less is more sign, more towels in there, my get naked sign, the box with planter. I think it is fairly similar to the inspiration. Here's the inspiration. I think it's pretty similar. So here's mine again. So let me know what you think. If you think that I was pretty close to the inspiration. If you liked it, leave me a comment below. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. This is a new channel, so that would really help me out. Don't forget to check out the playlist. Check out all of the collaborators. Check out Sonja's channel. And check out these videos that I've posted for you at the end. Some of them are from my DIY channel where I have a lot more videos because it's an older channel. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day. Stay safe.